How to fix and solve Netflix incorrect password. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix Netflix incorrect password error. The easiest solution is to go to the Netflix login page and click on the forgot button. So you're going to open up your Netflix application. Once you open it up, that's going to take you to the sign up or sign in interface, which will look something like this. So you click the sign in button, enter in your email or phone number that belongs to your account, and then for the password you simply go ahead and click on forgot password. As you click on forgot password, it is going to take you to the web page where you have to go ahead and enter in the registered email address so that they will be able to send you a message or a link in order to reset your password. So go to this page, and here you should be able to see that email with an instruction to reset your password has been sent. All you need to do is exit out of this page and go ahead and open up your Gmail and check for the reset link. So here you could see this is the one. So now I just need to go ahead and press on reset password, and once I do it, so I'll have to go ahead and enter in my current email address, and I have to go ahead and type in the new password or the in order to create a new one, and then retype in for the confirmation and click on the save button, and you will have successfully changed your Netflix password, and now you could go ahead and log in into your account. However, if it seems that you're unable to do it so, or you're not unable to follow the steps, then you could also try updating your application. If you've already updated your password, or if the password seems to be correct and you're still unable to log in, or if you're still receiving messages incorrect password, then you could also try updating your application. So go to your Play Store or an App Store, type in Netflix on the search box. Sometimes the updated version can lead to such issue, so go ahead and update and check whether you're able to log in or not. If still you're facing issue, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. Long press the application, click on app info. Then what next you want to do is go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data, but if you're sure about it, then you could go ahead and click the OK button, and then you could then log in and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. In some cases, what happens is that you must have entered in some incorrect information or misspelled words, so you could go ahead and double check your information or the credential. That could be able to fix your issue as well. But not the list, some poor connectivity or unstable internet can cause such issue. Go ahead and check your router or maybe connection. That could be an essential way to fix the issue. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve Netflix incorrect password. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.